guys, head on out the strip tip. Going pretty good today. Only had one issue. Had some spots that was drowned out over there. Had some big weeds. Those trash wheels did not like it, and they balled up pretty good. So just had to get out. It was a little time consuming, and get those unballed and raise them up when I came to them. So that fixed that issue. So that's where I was during the premiere of the last video, which I did notice one of you or two of you were not very happy I wasn't there to answer your questions, but farming takes priority. We are a farm that's trying to have a YouTube channel, not a YouTube channel trying to have a farm. But today, you see, we're here in these corn stalks, and the cool thing about GPS is, I don't know if you can tell, I'm going right in between the rows. I'm not going to be planting corn when I come back into this where I did last year. I'm going to be over just 15 inches. So it's pretty cool that you can do that. Kind of helps you a little residue management. I'll come in and plant next year just 15 inches over from where I planted last year. See what I mean? Plant here this year, went right between the rows, till this up, put fertilize down, plant right here next year. Pretty cool. At least I think so. Over here in Indiana, right along the river, still harvesting corn, getting closer every day. Me and Corey are running our butts off, trying to keep up so these guys don't have to sit and wait. They're over there. We'll be rolling up on them any minute. Here we are getting filled up for the 100th time today. Seems like it anyways. Rained out. Rain delay.
Rain delay.
Rain delay. Over.
Fire hazard's over.
Fire hazard's over.
For now.
We hope.
Yeah, we hope. Over an inch. That's like a real rain.
Yes.
Not like a drizzler. That's all we've gotten for I don't know how long.
That's the kind of rain we used to get before Travis started here.
Yeah, it's Travis's fault. Yep, he brought the drought. So our warrior parts are in. Go put on the new cable. Yeah, he said he locked you out on accident. That's a whole lot of wires. Would be easy for one to be backwards, you know it?
Oh yeah.
There she is. It's over an inch of rain. Of course, can't go try it today, but get this new box of wiring harness on and hopefully see if she runs tomorrow or Wednesday or Thursday or sometime. I only got 50 acres left in Illinois. Bean cutters haven't made it to Indiana yet, so it'll be a while before I can do sides then. So this 50 acres I'm getting ready to do has terraces on it, which is on a hill. Kind of comes down, make a little bump, have tile there with a riser pipe to catch water, help stop washing and dry it out. So take the old one off, new one on. See if it'll make this implement steer work, which will make it follow the tractor easier and make it the planter fall easier. It works right here. This little cylinder is what adjusts this tongue to keep it centered upright. So that thing's always moving when it's working. All right, old off, new on. I'm gonna send this through UPS back up to Minnesota, and then they can test her out and see if there was a problem with it or not, or if it's something else with the tractor. Finished tying that up. Then I'll go hop in the cab and see if it at least recognizes it. That doesn't mean it's fixed, but at least it knows it's there. It's wired up right. Every fix I try lasts about 20 or 30 minutes, and then it quits working, which makes it just that much harder to figure out. Wait for the monitor to fire up, then we'll see if the tractor's picking up the implement control box, and hopefully it does. And that's all we can really do for now until we get to the field. So. So bus, because that's where it comes through. See if it sees it. Yes, it does. And it's loading since it's brand new. So we at least have a chance that it'll fix it now. No guarantees. Place is a pigsty. Kind of gets that way during the fall. We'll clean it up sometime. Boss man in here looking like a boss. What are you doing today?
I'm doing paperwork, trying to catch up on paying a few guys, paying some landlords and all that kind of stuff, doing budget projections, doing some yield calculations, see how much grain we're gonna have, all kinds of stuff. Trying to catch up.
Need some smoke coming out your ears.
It's coming out.
Got sent the old control box and wiring harness with Garrett to Vincent's to the UPS store. He's gonna send that back. I'm gonna head over to our Indiana farm. I forgot to upload the last 3 days from the auger wagon to the Raven slingshot so that we have it here. I got the rest of them print off and everything. So I'm gonna go upload the last 3 days, grab Dad's thumb drive out of his combine. That way we have both of them to prove yields, and get the miles off all the semis sitting over there for fuel tax stuff. Well, never mind, just got denied. The bridge, the 1-lane bridge, Cannonball Bridge, is closed. There's a wreck, so can't get through. Hopefully everybody's all right, but just go do that stuff tomorrow, I guess. Bridge shut down, a wreck, so you can't get through. So I'm gonna work on our seed order for next year, but first, I seen the millennial farmer do this. I'm gonna try it. Huh. It did work. It worked. Cleaning's that easy.
Good.
Yep.
Good.
Yep. Spreadsheet. Plot results. Our results. Agronomist. Territory manager. And we got used beans that aren't going to be as good as they were last year because we got to switch to enlist. Let's see what Corey and Travis are doing. Yeah.
What's up?
Hey, how's it going?
It's a mess. It is a mess.
Look at you, 2 buckets at a time.
Yeah.
Well, let me feel those.
Oh, I know,
Woo.
man. I'm getting
Are those real?
those are real.
How's it going down there, Corey? Oh, there he is. How's it going down there, Corey?
It's a mess.
Bit of a mess, bro.
You guys want to take a break?
We got a severe problem down here.
Look like you got a leak.
We gonna fix that.
The bearing out, shaft sliding out.
See the shaft out here?
I see no shaft at the end.
Fall on the other side.
Well, you didn't come out.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
Just about to, huh?
Try to smack it back through or something.
Yeah.
Stuff ain't rotten though yet.
No, that's
I
dry.
guess technically there ain't nothing wrong yet.
Just about. That's preventative maintenance. That's where we keep Corey at night. That's where he sleeps. It puts the lotion on the skin, or it gets the hose. How's that go?
Nothing happened. Hey man, where's the arbitrator?
What we doing?
Head back to the field.
Back to the field.
Try to pick a little corn before it rains.
Pick a little more corn.
A lot of rain chances. Hasn't rained forever.
Now it's going to return to the wet season, maybe.
Maybe.
Inch and a quarter to 2.5, the last rain.
Yeah.
We're gonna go over and try to pick a couple fields right by the road. No problem to get to with the trucks. See how it goes.
First we eat.
First we eat. Let's go eat.
Mist on the window.
We're going back home. It's misting, there's rain coming, the corn's still tough, feeling wet. Nice road trip.
But first, I'm gonna do what I couldn't get done yesterday. Fuel miles, get your stick, upload all the auger wagon stuff to the Raven slingshot. Yeah, 2.6 inches. Got the miles off the trucks, semis. Battery's dead on the combine. There she is. Everybody keeps asking for equipment tours, which we will do this winter. Just walk you through what's in this shed. There's my rain cart that you guys have seen, the 59.6 Brand Avalanche with the equalizer tracks hooked up to a 620 quad. Oh, 6-row to rescue replaner right there. We're getting a second one of these. We really like this high-speed disc, this John Deere, this 2684. Also hooked up to another 620 quad. Got a ripper sitting here, Case IH ripper. Not even sure of the number on it. Really like that thing though, it does an excellent job. 13 shank. This one's traded off for the high speed. It's a 55-foot field cultivator. Cover the ground there. Old chisel plow. Hasn't got used for a while. The new planter. Corn planter. Going 150 early rise. High speed deal with the high speed tubes. Toyota forklift. That's all equipment in this shed. Plus outside we got the 9250, the Gearinghoff corn head on it that we just got. 2 Volvos. And a Peterbilt. All with Wilson hopper bottoms on them. Now to upload my data to the Raven slingshot. Got my U-Harvest Pro on my Pro 700, which is a Raven deal. My U-Harvest Pro app. This connects to that through Wi-Fi. We'll do the 16th through today. Select the dates that you want to upload. Not August. Our jobs, just however many we got there. I know there's less than that. There we go. Now it's going to download the jobs from this screen to this screen. Not working. They're going to have to back out. Probably need a better cell signal. Not getting one good one in the shed. I wasn't sure since it went from this to that if it needed it, but yeah, I need a better signal to upload it to the Raven slingshot, which is the web-based, cloud-based, however you put it, system. I'll try not to back into that truck over there. Check out testing and wrecking if you don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, that should surely be good enough. Okay, now we're in business. I don't think backing out helped any, but I had to restart. Well, I restarted the iPad, didn't do nothing. Restarted the Pro 700. Now we're in business. Download from there to there. Alright, now I just select what fields I haven't already uploaded, or you can select them all, but I've already done this quite a few times this year. I just hit this button right here. Now they will be uploaded to Raven Slingshot. They can be accessed from any computer or any device through the Raven Slingshot website and printed off from there. So now we won't have to worry about losing them if something here crashes, which we had the old Digistar at one time that sat up here, which some of you guys might have, and we did have that hard drive crash one time before it was backed up to a thumb drive and lost everything. Forgot to push this button. Those are just selected which ones I want. Press this one. Now I'll go lickety split. Just like that on the computer. And then to paper. To the record keeper. All right. Total weight, wet yield, dry yield, average moisture, destination, where it went. Then a breakdown of every load. Isn't that cool?
It is cool.